In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a contact list column in a Smartsheet project sheet. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct sheet where you want to manage project contacts, and that you're signed in with an account that has permission to edit the sheet. Once the sheet is open, look towards the top of the screen for the View options. If you're not already in Grid View, switch to it now. Grid View is the classic spreadsheet style layout, and it makes it much easier to work with columns and contact information. Go ahead and click on Grid, and then select the new table style view if that option appears. This will give you a clear, structured layout for the next steps. Now, locate the column where you want to store your contacts, or create a new column if needed. Click on the column header to open the column settings. You'll see an option to change the column type. Open that menu and scroll through the available types until you find Contact List. Select Contact List as the column type. This tells Smartsheet that this column will hold people's names and email addresses, and it enables features like assigning tasks and sending notifications. After choosing Contact List, confirm the change by clicking Apply. Smartsheet will update that column, and you'll now be ready to add actual contacts into it. Next, click into a cell in your new Contact List column. A small contact picker or drop-down will appear. Click the drop-down to see the list of available contacts associated with your account or organization. You can scroll through the list or start typing to quickly filter by name or initial. Begin by picking an existing contact from the list. For example, you might choose a teammate or project owner. Click their name to assign them to that row. Repeat this process for other rows. Click the cell, open the contact drop-down, and select the appropriate person. If you need to work with contacts by initial or by email, you can also type a letter to jump directly to people whose names or addresses start with that character. Once you see the correct contact, click it to assign. Continue assigning contacts to the relevant tasks or items in your project sheet. When you're finished, your Smartsheet will have a dedicated contact list column, making it easy to see who owns what and to leverage Smartsheet's collaboration and notification features across your project.